You've probably used Notion before for notes, tasks, or planning. But what if I told you Notion's AI can be turned into a full-blown income stream? Today, I'll show you how to use Notion AI to create digital products, automate content, and build systems that make you money, even while you sleep. Notion AI is more than a productivity tool. It's a smart assistant inside Notion that can write, summarize, brainstorm, organize, and automate workflows all in one place. Here's exactly how it works. Once you're inside Notion, you'll see the Ask AI button or slash commands like /Ask AI, /Summarize, or continue writing. You can prompt it to 1. Write full blog posts to brainstorm content ideas. 3. Summarize long notes for create email drafts. 5. Structure video scripts. 6. Generate to-do lists and databases. It understands your context and builds whatever you ask for directly inside your Notion pages. But here's where things get powerful. Notion AI isn't just a writing tool. It can structure your content into digital products, and that's where the money comes in. Here's one simple method. Use Notion AI to create Notion templates. These could be 1. Daily planners to content calendars. 3. Business dashboards for budget trackers. 5. Goal setting systems. 6. Client CRM pages. Start by asking Notion AI to build out the structure. Then polish the design, add some branding, and turn it into a clean, customizable template. Now list it for sale on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. People are constantly looking for clean, ready-to-use productivity tools, and Notion templates are hot right now. You can also bundle them as a Notion kit and sell them as digital downloads for $5, $15, even $50, depending on how valuable or niche they are. But it doesn't stop there. It uses Notion AI to create lead magnets and info products, ebooks, guides, checklists, workflows, all organized neatly inside a Notion page. You can export these as PDFs, embed them in websites, or deliver them as bonuses for your audience. Another smart strategy: build a Notion-based course, structure lessons using AI, write modules, add checklists, link pages, then sell access to your workspace. No code, no hosting, just clean, functional knowledge delivered through a Notion link. If you're a content creator or freelancer, you can use Notion AI to run your entire backend. 1. Plan and script videos to track client work. 3. Schedule content for store affiliate links. 5. Build SOPs and content banks, then turn those same systems into sellable templates for others in your niche. And if you're a beginner with no audience, you can still win. Just research what is trending, like Notion for students or Notion for fitness, then build a smart template with Notion AI and start listing it on digital marketplaces. Promote with Pinterest, TikTok, Reddit, or small blog posts, all things you can automate with other AI tools. This is how creators are turning Notion into a business, not just a notebook. And the best part, once you make the product, you sell it over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, just digital money. Notion AI helps you think, write, plan, and package value. You just need to give it a direction, and it builds the rest. So whether you're selling templates, running a business, or just organizing your content, Notion AI can be your silent co-founder. Don't sleep on this tool. Subscribe for more AI money hacks, and in the next video, iLines break down how Eleven Labs can clone your voice and help you build an income stream in the voice-over world. See you there.